Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, a bearing question here. It says y is 200 meter north of x and z is 200 meter east of y. Find the bearing of z from x. We should find the bearing. Take note of these locations and the locations. Okay, so before we answer this question, I want us to remember to refresh our memory on the types of bearing that we have. We have the three-digit bearing, three-digit bearing, and the compass bearing. So in the compass bearing, we have, like, let's say these are cardinal points. These are cardinal points, and upward is usually north, and this is our east, and this is south, and this is west. Okay, so and every angle between one cardinal point to the other is 90 degree. So between east and south now is another 90 degree. Between south and west is 90. Between west and north is 90, and the total will give us 360. And also the angle is measured in this way. It's calculated in a clockwise manner. All right. So now, having understood what our compass bearing is, because the question, we are going to make use of some of these things that we have understood from here to answer the question. Okay, because we have north and east in the question, let us represent that by drawing our cardinal points. So this is north, upwards is north, this is east, this is west, this is south, and this is west. Okay, and now they are telling us that a location y is 200 meter north of x. So if this is our x and the north is upward, that means our location y is 200 meter north. So this is our y, this is still our north, still going upwards. This is our east. Okay, these are west and this is south for y location. And they say this y is 200 meters north of x. Okay, and then as they're saying, our location z is also 200 meter east of y. This is our 200 meter, and this is our north, our z location. This is our north too. Okay, now they're asking us that we should find the bearing of z, our location z, from x. So let us draw it, our line. So this angle here, pardon my drawing, this angle here, let's call it A, is the angle, the bearing that is z from x, that z formed from x. Okay, so now if we look, because we said in the previous example, we said that the angles formed between one cardinal point to the other is 90. So therefore the angle here is also going to be 90 degree. And because this side here is 200 meters and this side is 200 meters, that makes them equal distances. All right, and this is the shape of a triangle. This place, this whole area is a triangle, and if two sides of a triangle are equal, that type of triangle formed is called an isosceles triangle. So this triangle here now is isosceles triangle, and if this place is A, we can also say this angle here is A. Why? Base angle of an isosceles triangle. All right, and because we have an angle that is known, we can use it to get the values of our base angles. All right, so now our A plus 90 degree equals 180 degree. And what that's the meaning of that? Because the sum of angles in a triangle. So our A plus A will give us 2A plus 90 equals 180. Collect like terms, our 2A will be equal to 180 minus 90. Okay, so our 2A now will be equal to 90. Let us divide both sides by 2 to eliminate the coefficient of A, 45. So our A now will be equal to 45 degree, and that's the angle, the bearing of Z from X, 45 degree. That's our answer.